What's going on, guys? Matt Rosa, top leader here within iMarkets Live. I've been in this industry for the past 6 years. I've seen the good, the bad, and the ugly. I've had opportunities to build up massive organizations all over the world, learning the skill set of trading within the cryptocurrency and the foreign exchange markets, despite economical situations or cultural barriers. And I realized that you don't have to be the best speaker, you don't have to be the best presenter, you don't have to be the best producer, right? There's a specific skill set that will enable you to truly grow this thing if you learn how to do it the right way. And that's the perfect invite. When it comes to introducing people to this concept, the invite is your first impression. And you know what they say, first impressions last a lifetime, right? So I'm gonna teach you guys a 4-step process, super simple. Be in a hurry, clear the schedule, add value, and take it away. That has enabled me to pack rooms out across the globe, but you have to do it in numerical order. Now, there's a method to my madness. The reason that you have to do it in numerical order, the example I like to use is simple. A baby doesn't immediately come out of the womb and start running, right? No, it has steps to that. It comes out the womb and learns how to roll over, then it learns how to crawl, then it learns how to hold on to something and stand up, and then eventually it learns how to keep its balance, and then before you know it, it's running. But if a baby skips a step, it automatically falls. How many times are you gonna fall in your business and want to continue to get back up? The purpose of this is simple: to alleviate the amount of times that we fail and learn from our failures, so that way you don't have to do the exact same thing. Step number 1, be in a hurry. You see, the reason that you wanna be in a hurry is very simple. There's a time and a place for everything, and explaining the largest financial market in the world over the phone while inviting them to hear about an opportunity is not the time or the place. You see, the second reason that you want to be in a hurry is because if you're watching this, chances are you're brand new. And if you're brand new, chances are you're not going to know the answers to every question they have. And you're not expected to, right? But what I've realized from experience is that when you're caught in a situation where you don't know the answer to a question, your platform of credibility tends to drop. This is your first impression to your business. And you know what they say, first impressions last a lifetime. So in order to eliminate that completely, just be in a hurry. Step number 2 is going to be clear their schedule. No smoke and mirrors, no hidden agenda. I just want to know that they're available for this call. So what I'll say is, from step number 1, hey, what's going on? I'm actually in a hurry right now, running into the gym, or maybe I'm running into a meeting, or I'm about to jump on a call. But let me ask you, Saturday, 3 p.m., what is it that you're doing? That allows me to set them up and know that they're available, simply put. Step number 3. Step number 3 is gonna be add value, and arguably the most important step throughout this 4-step process, right? Add value. You see, there's 2 methods to that. Number 1, when adding value and inviting people, you want to stay away from inviting in any other method than picking up that phone and dialing. You don't want to do email blasts. You don't want to do a Facebook status. You don't want to do inboxes or text messages or voice notes or anything along those lines. Here's why. You're talking about the largest financial market in the world, and you're also talking about people's livelihoods, right? So that's a serious conversation to have. But on top of that, they're not going to hear your tonality. They're not going to hear your voice inflection, aka they're not going to hear your excitement. So they can't hear your excitement. Do you have any reason for them to be excited for you? When adding value, I tend to stay away from certain terms like opportunity or sales or business or anything along those lines that tend to make people put up that guard, right? People tend to have a preconceived misconception based off of what it is that we do as a profession. You don't know what it is that you don't know, but naturally people's guards come up. They have fear of the unknown, false evidence appearing real. It's all about the terminology that you utilize, right? It's all about how it is that you approach somebody. So when I add value, I tend to say things along the lines of partnership, collaboration, accountability, trading, cryptocurrency, Forex. Those are terms that I tend to utilize in order to capture individuals, because the sole purpose of this invite is to raise as much curiosity as you possibly can without giving away too much. And then step number 4 is take it away. You know, people naturally want what it is that they cannot have. You're on a diet, you want the food that you can't have, right? It's natural. By taking it away, it tends to raise that level of curiosity. And more than likely, they will show up and grow up for your opportunity. Also, when taking it away, it minimizes the length of conversation, right? So if anybody starts to ask questions that you may not know the answers to, you can always go back to step number 1. Hey, I'm in a hurry right now, walking into the gym, jumping on a call, walking into a meeting, whatever the case may be. There's a time and a place for everything. But Saturday, 3 p.m., we're going to have all your questions answered effectively and efficiently. Look forward to seeing you there and potentially partnering, man. I'll talk to you soon. Take it away. The perfect invite. I've had the opportunity to teach this to thousands. I've utilized it on my own for my own local markets, and I see it work time and time and time again. Be in a hurry, clear schedule, add value, take it away. But you have to do it in numerical order. Do so, and I expect for you guys to be packing rooms all across the entire world. At the very least, getting that cheap and free. I'll see you guys at the top. The bottom's way too crowded.
Hey, what's going on, everybody? Mayor Reyes here. Hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, send me a friend request on Facebook, follow me on Instagram, and subscribe to my YouTube channel for more content.